How to fix a MoneyLion payment/transfer failed error. If you're having any kinds of problem while make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your cellular data or cellular data or Wi-Fi to connect to a network that is actually working. So you shouldn't be having any internet issues while making transactions. If that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply navigate yourself to the MoneyLion application. Tap and hold on to the app and simply click on remove app. Click on delete app again and click on delete to delete the application. Now you want to go to your app store and search for MoneyLion app over here. Click on search, and what you're going to do is you want to simply install the app again. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems. The next time you're making transactions. However, if you are still facing any problems while making transactions, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.